Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Say Allah Akbar once, and I also say hello to other people who are not Muslim. A brother from Uzbekistan wants this soap, which is shown on picture. He needs green color in center and white color both on both sides. He asked me a cone by which this soap can be produced. Now I am telling you, this cone consists of two parts, part A and part B. The part A is only a combination in which both sides, both colors should be combined, white and green. In part A, if you need two color soaps only on both sides and no need of any design, then you need a cone of approximately length 12 inch and its flange which is holding that need approximately 16 inch. These both cones are combined approximately on the last front if you need different design as he asked. If not, then your cone should combine approximately 1 inch before of that cup, which I am shown here. And now we shift on part B, which is shown here. In part B, if you need different designs, not only a combination of two colors, if you need different design, as he asked, center is green and outer both are white. For that, the right portion is for green and the left portion is for white. In right portion, here the green part is we shift into center, which is approximately 33% in front where we get the soap, and in for white portion we should divide into two portions, 30% from where it is coming white and the 70% the other side of the green. And in front where we get our soap is approximately the portion is 33 plus 33 plus 33, approximately 100% you will get your soap as he wanted. If you have any type of question, you can ask, but I hope so you can make it as I have shown you. Take care. If anyone need any machinery, you can contact us, and have any problem regarding soap making or soap machine, you can also ask.